Unraveling Idioms. Understanding, make a hash of. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, make a hash of. Idioms are a crucial part of language learning, as they enrich your conversational skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. The phrase, make a hash of, is an idiom in English that means to do something very badly, to mess up, or to handle a task or situation in a way that results in a poor outcome. It's often used when someone has attempted to do something, but their efforts have led to a confusing, disorderly, or unsuccessful result. This idiom is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. Understanding the origin of idioms can often help in remembering them. The term, hash, in this phrase originally comes from the culinary world, referring to a dish of chopped meat mixed with potatoes and other vegetables. Historically, a hash was seen as a way to use up leftovers in a haphazard or mixed-up way. This culinary practice led to the metaphorical use of the term in the idiom, implying a task done in a disorganized or bungled manner. Let's see some examples of how this idiom can be used in everyday conversation. 1. I really made a hash of that job interview. I got so nervous and mixed up my words. 2. Our team made a hash of the presentation. We weren't prepared, and everything went wrong. 3. Don't let him handle the report. He'll make a hash of it. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, whether personal, professional, or academic. When using this idiom, avoid these common mistakes. Don't use it to describe a situation where the outcome was successful. Remember that it often implies an attempt was made. It's not used for situations where no effort was put in. It's typically used in past tense situations. That's all about make a hash of. We hope this video helps you understand and use this idiom confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not just about memorizing. It's about understanding the culture and context of the language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.